Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toits, oh. Yeah, no. Ingat.
Architects and engineers. Sa amin lang yung pondo at saka konsepto, pero sila yung nag-develop. So at this point, I'd like to ask really, gusto kong to give credit where it is due. Gusto kong enumerate mo lahat na taga-PLM na tumulong dito. Can you Wilkie?
Thank you, Ma'am Philip. Magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Of course, hapon, I'm sorry. I've been here 8 a.m. I'm sorry. Of course, I'd like to acknowledge our Honorable Mayor, Boss, and of course, my kumpare for over 20 years, our City Administrator, of course, Attorney Waldy Quintos. And of course, the President, Sir Sani, VP Ron, VP Jim, the other VPs, the Deans, thank you so much po sa inyo. The students, of course. Tinapo ko ni Ma'am Philip dito, it's because yung po aking matas kulitin, no? Kasi this is actually 1 year in the making, boss. Eh. So sila yung araw-araw na kinukulit ko, to get things done, and they did it very good. Of course, I'd like to call on Architect Jared Cruz. Dean Cruz, thank you. Engineer Karen Layson, where are you? There. Engineer Brian Martinez. Engineer Gina Mundala. Engineer Joel Aldea. Dito. Okay. Of course. Bago ako pumunta rin doon sa ating mga kaibigan from, yung special mention, of course, I'd like to call on Miss Lena Ko from the Office of the University President. Thank you so much for everything. Kasi siya po nga ang overall coordinator dito. Siya po talaga lagi mong kinukulit. And, of course, palakpan po natin ang ating mga workers. Sila po ang gumawa nito. Umu-overtime guys, weekend, Sabado, Linggo, mabuhay po kayo lahat. Sa pangwalakas sa palakpakan. Maraming salamat po sa inyo. Maraming salamat sa inyo. May namisot man ako pero alam niyo, nagpapasalamat po ang ICTSI Foundation sa pangunguna po ng aming Executive Director, si Ma'am Philip Laurena. Maraming salamat po sa inyo lahat po. Boss, thank you so much din po. Thank you so much po. Maraming salamat. Yes. Okay. Ma'am, we would like to intro the before video for better appreciation of the lecture hall. Para makita po ninyo yung itsura natin ng lecture hall. So this is just a short video. Can we have the video? support team, ICTSA Foundation team, led by our Executive Director, Ma'am Philip Lorena. Our manager for admin and finance, your very own from PLM, Alan Balmoria. And our corporate services manager, Bani Palad, of course, other program heads, Ellie Mausay, and Elaine Cruz, and the other people, Kuya Renedo. Thank you so much for everything po. Thank you po.
Thank you very much to the ICTI Foundation for your continued support and commitment to education. Our next speaker is a leader whose vision for the City of Manila continues to champion innovation, progress, and inclusive development, especially in the field of education. Today's inauguration is not only about opening a new facility, but also about embracing modern technology that enhances the way we teach and learn. One of the highlights of this lecture hall is its advanced video camera tracking system designed to follow the speaker, seamlessly creating a more dynamic and engaging learning experience. And fittingly, we are honored that he will be the very first to experience and demonstrate this innovative feature. A true advocate of modernization and youth empowerment, he has consistently supported initiatives that uplift public education and bring meaningful change to our communities. Ladies and gentlemen, it is our distinct honor to present the Honorable Francisco Isko Moreno M. Dumagoso, Mayor of the City of Manila.
Baka ng pinakamasaya.
Oo, ganyan pala, no? Naalala ni Yorme.
Akala ko nasa television.
Oo, galing.
Anyway. Thank you. Alright. Anyway, good afternoon. Our lesson for today is about... Ayun na. Professor. Mag-election din. Nalala ko sa college of law kami. But anyway, well, una, maraming salamat. The ICTSI family. Pasapakan natin sila. Ito po yung sinabi naman kanina. Recently, about a few weeks ago, we were in Rosauro Almario Elementary School, yung aking alma mater. Lahat ng top-notch equipment pagdating sa sports. In fact, meron doon isang makina na binigay sila. Dalawa lang sa Manila. Yung isa sa Lasal, yung isa now sa Almario Elementary School. Supporting our students in their sports activities to be more competitive by accessing better equipment. Because we build the facility already. Alam niyo naman, yung recently, mga pinagagawa natin about education, we are preparing our schools to sa demand of population. Because population will continue to grow, and kapag ang bata, pinanganak, they will occupy a space in our classroom. And I'm happy for those schools that we already built that can answer 15-year growth of population demand with regard to space sa eskwelahan. And then tinulungan tayo ng ICTSI. Now I'm here, I am grateful again. No? Ibang klase to. I mean, if I'm a teacher or lecturer, I'll be comfortable talking and walking without holding anything. So para lang ako nasa television. Just imagine that. That's why talagang ang ICTSI, wala na akong maikumpara. Ngayon, ay partner natin sila sa elementary. Ngayon, today naman, partner natin sila sa kolehiyo. Baka malay mo, baka partner din natin ito sa College of Health Sciences in the future. Because recently, your board, through your president and chairman, the members of the board already adopted a new concept on how to raise funds from the private sectors on top of the government. Nag-create kami ng mga bagay o innovation. Hopefully, this is not new ideas. It's a copy-paste. Mahilig ako mangopya. Teacher ko lang nagagalit sa akin pag nangongopya ako sa classroom. But pag mayroong mga magagandang idea and it's effective, I always believe in the saying na don't fix it when it's not. Mamali ako ng grammar. On behalf of the people of Manila, thank you very much, ma'am. Pakisabi kay CRG at boss. Very masaya ako para sa inyo. And kayo na mga naparito, hindi lang yung College of Medicine to. Halo-halo ito. Pasensya na kayo, medyo special lang yung araw na ito sa College of Medicine or College of Health, Allied Ayun. Hindi ko pa remember. Ginigibanan. We are on track. We will have a better place for you for that particular sector or segment of the institution. At the same manner, beneficiary rin kayo nun because you will have more space in this building, in this area. Thank you sa inyo, pati sa mga viewers nyo and followers nyo. Oh, marami na kayong aabangan.
Yes, excited
Handa
na po
ba kayo
kami.
mapuyat?
Yes naman, your man.
Ay makapagpasalamat sa inyong lahat. At sa ating mga vloggers, shout out sa lahat ng vloggers. You survive. Abonado pa kayo. Thank you very much sa inyo, ha? Hi, hello. Subscribe lang kayo dito. Mag-iingat kayo. Lahat ng viewers ng Rochelle Anting vlog, please do subscribe and thank you for all your support. Toits, yeah, no? Ingat.